We've been told that speed wins, that faster means smarter, that whoever moves first wins the future. What if that's no longer true? What if the leaders of the future are the ones who know how to slow down? Because in this new world, speed isn't the edge anymore. Presence is. Right now, leadership feels like a race against algorithms. Every decision is accelerated, every outcome immediate. And yet beneath that speed, most leaders feel a quiet exhaustion. We live in calendars that never breathe, we perform through pressure, and our nervous system are maxed out. The truth? Most leaders aren't burning out because they're weak. They're burning out because they're trying to outrun their own intelligence. Here's the paradox. In a fast-paced, AI-driven world, ease is the new edge. The body decides. The brain executes. Your body is the operating system of your influence. If it's overloaded, your brilliance can't run. And I've seen this everywhere, inside high-stakes rooms, board meetings, and executive summits. The ones who hold power with presence, who can pause long enough to sense what's real, those are the leaders shaping what's next. They make faster, wiser, more human decisions. Not because they have more data, but because they have more space. That's the new discipline. The discipline of flow. It's not soft, it's strategic. We keep trying to optimize our minds when what we really need is to regulate our bodies. The brain needs boredom, the body needs space. Because emotional agility, presence, and influence don't come from pushing harder. They come from receiving deeper. So here's what flow looks like in practice. When the world moves fast, you anchor slow. You let the nervous system lead the meeting. You breathe before you speak. You notice what's real before reacting to what's loud. That's not spiritual fluff, that's leadership physics. Because AI can process data, but only a regulated leader can process truth. Imagine leading from that place where clarity replaces reactivity, where intuition speaks louder than noise, where people don't just follow your words, they feel your steadiness. That's the kind of leadership that transcends disruption. That's how we evolve together. So if you're leading in this new world, don't race to keep up. Rise to slow down. Because the future doesn't belong to the fastest. It belongs to the most present. Let's build a culture where flow is strategy, where space is strength, and where leadership begins in the body. Keep being great, and let's change the world.